Welcome back to Brain Beats, where curiosity meets the mind. Today, we're talking about something deeply personal and difficult: finding peace after a divorce. Divorce is ranked as one of life's most stressful events, comparable to the loss of a loved one, and it's normal to feel a mix of grief, guilt, and even anger. But here's the good news: healing is possible, and there are ways to start moving forward. Experts recommend taking time to process your emotions rather than avoiding them. Journaling, talking to close friends, or speaking with a therapist can help you understand what you're feeling and why. Remember, it's okay to grieve the loss of what you thought life would look like. It's also important to reclaim your sense of self. Divorce can leave you questioning your identity, but this can be a time of rediscovery. Set small goals, try out a new hobby, or reconnect with what you love. Studies show that practicing self-compassion can be incredibly healing. Being kind to yourself rather than critical reduces feelings of shame and boosts resilience. And don't forget the power of community. Connecting with others who've gone through similar experiences can remind you that you're not alone. Finding peace takes time, but step by step, you can rebuild a new path forward, one filled with possibility. Thanks for tuning in to Brain Beats. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that lift and guide us through life's toughest moments.